very impressed with the first one already. And then learning that they were working on this new product. It's when you innovate something, it means the first one really worked. So, and they told me the stories also on how well loved Soft Glow is by the people who buy it online, especially on e-commerce, and it's really such a hit. And I was very impressed by that. But also, yung sa entrepreneurial journey ni Miss Jonah, I was also very impressed with that. And that this is like a Filipino brand, right? Like, beauty is a category that is very well sought of by Filipinos, Filipinas. We're always trying to look for products that can make us better. Not necessarily change us, but just improve us and make us better. So, yeah, I was really happy with it.
Thank you so much. We know you're one to really love local, so we totally appreciate your support for you being a local brand. Another question for you, Ms. Pia. How do you practice the idea that beauty is more?
Well, I like this campaign because it already talks about something that is on everybody's mind. Like, beauty isn't just like physical pagandahan na lang. It's really more than that. So when we were doing the campaign, we talked about what beauty is more means. And ang dami kasi pwedeng interpretation sa kanya. Like, it can be, finding purpose and heart in like what you do. It could also be finding the confidence even on the days na you're a little unsure of yourself. It could also be removing the mold of perfection and like having your own idea of what beautiful is. So I like that it could mean so many, it's very broad, like it could mean a lot of things, but the general idea is that you can always be better. Yeah.
Agree, and I really think that every woman should walk through life with the mindset that I want to be more today. I want to be better today. I want to be a better version of myself today. Right, Ms. Jonah, the next question is for you. Fast talk tayo. Soft Glow or Soft Glow Plus?
Soft Glow Plus.
Yes, okay, I love that. Ms. Jonah, what made Ms. Pia the perfect choice as ambassador for Soft Glow Plus?
Well, she was a dream. She's still her dream. Actually, this campaign is actually one of our vision that comes to life. And I think Pia not only represents Philippines, but she represented how to be confident in your own way. And that's what the new moon stands for as well. So you are beautiful in your own way, you are confident, and you are great in your own way. And that's why Pia was chosen as our ambassador, is because she stands for the same values as our brand.
I love that. Thank you so much. A round of applause for these ladies, please. Now, Ms. Pia, Ms. Jonah, I have a couple more questions from our media friends. So, Ms. Pia, this is from Nika Sado from Push. What does it mean to you to represent a brand like New Moon, and how do you feel stepping into the role as New Moon's newest ambassador?
I mean, what I also really love is I've gotten to know the team more, like sila Howie and sila Miss Jonah and the rest of the team, and they all work so well and they're so happy like working together, and that's a great sign that it's a close family, that everybody has the same goals, that everybody is happy working there. So that was one of them, and I, like what I mentioned earlier, I'm always trying to look for products that can help me get better. Honestly, years ago, I wasn't looking for collagen or supplements yet when it comes to parang sa skin. Like usually, talagang literal vitamins, ganon. But then I realized that, especially as I'm getting more matured, like I'm looking for like ways to help, like to improve myself and to feel better and look better. And so I've started looking for products that can really help me with that. So gusto ko holistic, na hindi lang yung mga skin treatments, hindi lang yung makeup, hindi lang nice hair, but also something that I can take daily. And then I discovered the other range as well. I know we're here for Soft Glow Plus, but I also really like the others. And depends on what you need. Yeah, so I urge you guys to have a look at the others as well.
Narinig niyo yun, ah. I urge you guys. You have to try all the other New Moon products, not just Soft Glow Plus, because Miss Pia really believes in all those other products too. Ms. Pia, what made you confident that this partnership aligns with your personal values? Like, what was, for example, a non-negotiable before you said yes?
That I have to try it. Yun muna, like I have to be a user of the brand before I'm able to come up on stage and testify and talk about it. So we took some time actually. I know we did the contract signing just now, but then I have been with them we've known each other for like more than a month now, and we've been like talking already for a while. And I've tried the products before it launched. So that's my non-negotiable. I always want to be using what I promote or what I endorse, and that it's safe, that it's effective, and yeah, that it works.
Yes.
That's very important.
Yes, lalo na that it's a supplement, diba? And you have a
Yeah.
lot of young followers online. It's so important that they trust you. And can I just share, I have been trusting you and your recommendations since I was 14.
Oh my God.
14! Thank you so much, Ms. Pia. That was a question from Oski Recobar. Thank you so much for that question, Oski. Ms. Jonah, this is my question for you from Marin Plaza from Stylish Magazine. What beauty or wellness gap did you see in the market that New Moon was specifically designed to fill?
Yeah, so in 2025, we figured that the customer behavior shifted. So from taking so many supplements down to only one because, yeah. So nowadays, we're very busy and stressed with our life. And I think it's better to have a supplement that can really support the things that you do. And New One Supplement Plus was reinvented for us to have a better supplement that we can take once a day. So when you see the ingredients, Dorothy, so it composes of all the antioxidants that you need to fight stress. Not only for skin brightening or whitening or whichever, but it helps your body to digest more and to detoxify all the toxins in your body. And that's why it's the reason why we reinvented, because we want something that is fast-free, at the same time is convenient to everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Jonah. We had our dietitian a while ago, Ms. Mary Rose over there, talk about how not all glutathione or any supplements are one and the same in the market. So what distinguishes Soft Glow Plus from the rest of the products on the market? This is a question from Ronald Lin from GMA.
Yeah, so the usual glutathione form in the market is L-glutathione. S-acetyl actually exceeded the L-glutathione when it comes to efficiency and absorption. So we actually leveled up from 100 mg of our Soft Glow up to 200 mg, which makes it better, more absorbent, and of course, it benefits your body doubled. So it differs from the glutathione that are existing in the market. It's because one, it is the form of the bioavailability, not to mention how effective it was when mixed with collagen, black pepper, tomato extract. So I think that's the proprietary.
Proprietary! Thank you so much, Howie, for that.
Yes. So that blend is actually one of the most unique blend of glutathione in the local market that you will see first in New.
It's really one of one, no, Ms. Jonah.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that, Ms. Jonah. Ms. Pia,